Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smartyurl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smartyurl.it/pass. This video channel is at smartyurl.it/pass actuarial exams. Here you have information about online seminars and study manuals for exams PFM, IFM, and LTAM that I offer. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smartyurl.it/actuary. If you would like to offer a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smartyurl.it/help-ISU actuary. Here's a problem for today for exam P on probability. An automobile insurance company issues a one-year policy with a deductible of $500. The probability is 0.8 that the insured automobile has no accident and 0.0 or 0 that the automobile has more than one accident. If there is an accident, the loss before application of the deductible is exponentially distributed with mean 3,000. Calculate the 95th percentile of the insurance company payout on this policy. So note that it's a bit strange, and in a strange way as 0.0. We are told that it's either 0 accidents or 1 accident, and 1 accident happens with probability 0.2, and no accidents happen with probability 0.8. And here's the solution. So let us write y for the insurance company payout. Let x be the amount of loss given that an accident has happened. We are given that x is an exponential random variable with mean 3,000. We are given that y equals 0 if there is no accident, which happens with probability 0.8, and if there is an accident, and given that accident the loss is less than 500, which happens with probability that there's an accident times probability that x is less than 500, which is 0.2 times 1 minus e to the minus 500 over 3,000, because of the information given about the exponential distribution for that one accident, the exponential distribution of the amount of the loss for that one accident. So this is 0.2 times 1 minus e to the minus 1/6. Otherwise, y is positive, and given that an accident has happened, it is equal to x minus 500. We are looking for the 95th percentile of y, so the number y 0.95, such that the probability that y is less than 0.95 is 0.95. But probability that y is 0 is 0.8 plus 0.2 times 1 minus e to the minus 1/6, which is approximately 0.8307. Therefore, the 95th percentile of y occurs in its range of values resulting from the situation that an accident happened and the loss is greater than 500. Note that probability that y is more than y 0.95 is 0.05. Thus, the probability that 0.05 is the probability that y is more than y 0.95, and it's the probability that there is an accident times the probability that x minus 500 is more than y 0.95. The probability that there is an accident is 0.2, and given that an accident has happened, we want the probability that y is more than 500 plus y 0.95, and that's equal to 0.2 times e to the minus 500 plus y 0.95 over 3,000, so it's 0.2 times e to the minus 1/6 times e to the minus y 0.95 over 3,000. And therefore, e to the minus y 0.95 over 3,000 must be equal to 0.05 divided by 0.02 times e to the 1/6, and that's e to the 1/6 over 4. This results in minus y over y 0.95 over 3,000 equal to the natural logarithm of e to the 1/6 over 4, which is 1/6 minus natural logarithm of 4, or y 0.95 therefore is equal to 3,000 times natural logarithm of 4 minus 1/6. That's approximately 3,658.8831, and that's answer B. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem itself was created by a society of actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.